Welcome, new parents. Bringing a newborn home is a beautiful, life-changing experience, but it can also be a bit overwhelming. Today I'm sharing some essential health tips to help you navigate those early days with confidence. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, always keep an eye on your newborn's feeding patterns. Newborns typically need to eat every 2 to 3 hours, whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding. Look for signs of hunger like lip smacking or sucking on their fists. Remember, a well-fed baby is a happy baby. Next, let's talk about sleep. Newborns sleep a lot, but not always when you want them to. They usually sleep for about 16 to 17 hours a day, but in short bursts. Create a calming bedtime routine and ensure the sleeping environment is safe. Place your baby on their back to sleep on a firm mattress without any loose bedding or toys. Now, diaper duty. Changing diapers frequently is crucial to prevent diaper rash. Keep the diaper area clean and dry. Use a barrier cream to protect your baby's delicate skin. And don't forget, always wash your hands before and after each change to prevent infections. Another important aspect is monitoring your baby's temperature. Newborns are sensitive to temperature changes, so keep the room at a comfortable 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Dress your baby in layers and adjust according to the room's temperature. If you're unsure, check your baby's neck or tummy to see if they're too hot or cold. Let's move on to bathing. Newborns don't need a bath every day. In fact, 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. Use mild, baby-friendly soap and warm water. Always support your baby's head and neck during bath time, and never leave your baby unattended, even for a second. Lastly, don't forget about tummy time. It helps strengthen your baby's neck and shoulder muscles and promotes motor skills development. Start with short sessions 2 to 3 times a day, and gradually increase the duration as your baby gets stronger. Being a new parent is a journey filled with learning and love. Trust your instincts, seek support when needed, and cherish every moment. If you have any concerns about your baby's health, always consult your pediatrician. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting advice. Take care and enjoy this amazing journey with your newborn.